So let's try to solve this problem, and they are asking us or giving the problem. A right triangle has an adjacent leg of 4 and an opposite leg of 11. Draw an appropriate triangle that models the situation and determine the 6 trigonometric ratios. So first thing first. So first we are going to draw an appropriate triangle. So here's a triangle, and you can give any Greek letters, use it for an angle to name it. I will use alpha, which is or so this is the angle name, and as we know, uh, because this is here's the angle, this will be adjacent, and here will be opposite leg. This adjacent leg and this opposite leg. And here will be a hypotenuse, RC. So the leg of adjacent is 4, so we know this 4 now, and opposite leg is 11. So now we have finished this step and we have drawn the triangle. Now they are asking us to determine the 6 trigonometric ratios. Okay. And the 6 trigonometric ratios are sine, cosine, tangent, and now will be the opposite. Tangent is cotangent, and the cosine it will be secant, and for sine it will be cosecant. Okay. And the notation for all of those 6 ratios, it will be alpha because we used here. So the notation is alpha. Now we can give them the rules for using like the for each of sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent. So for sine it is opposite over hypotenuse, and for cosine it's adjacent over hypotenuse, and for tangent it will be opposite over adjacent. And in those the rest of those 3 ratios we will just flip the signs. So for tangent it's opposite over adjacent. For cotangent we will make it adjacent over opposite, and for secant it will be hypotenuse over adjacent. So this adjacent over opposite, and for secant we said it will be hypotenuse over adjacent, And for cosecant, it will be hypotenuse over opposite. Okay. Now we have to plug the numbers. So, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here for sine, which is opposite over hypotenuse, and now we have to figure out what the hypotenuse is. So to figure this out, we can use this equation: a squared plus b squared equals to uh, c squared. So a and b, which is 16 plus 11 is 11 squared is 121. So 16 plus 121, it will be 137. Okay. Now we have figured out what the hypotenuse is, and it's 137. So according to the rules of ratios, opposite over hypotenuse, which is 11 over yeah, square root of 137, and adjacent over hypotenuse, it will be 4 over square root of 137. And for number 3, it will be adjacent over opposite over adjacent, which is 11 over 4. And for number 4, which is adjacent over opposite, it will be 4 over 11. And for secant, it's hypotenuse over adjacent, which is square root of 137 over 4. And the last one, which is cosecant, it's hypotenuse over opposite, which is square root of 137 over 11. And now we have finished all the problems. And thank you for watching.